Let's look at the health path most people find themselves on. Too often, non sickness progresses over time to sickness and disease, a descent accelerated by our modern lifestyle. Listen back to part 1:1. It's not your fault that you're struggling if you need a reminder. But this decline isn't inevitable. You just have to realize life isn't a reality show. It's real, and it's the only life you've got. Waiting for healthcare providers, weight loss gurus, or drug companies to come up with solutions won't work. Your health is not a spectator sport. You need to create focus and expend energy to create stability, structure, and simplicity. In essence, we're fighting entropy and creating health. Let's start by asking a few questions to determine your current direction. Is your health improving every day? Are your daily habits creating greater health and vibrancy or draining your battery and putting you on an accelerating path towards disease? Are you already in a non-sick or sick state? The answers will tell you whether you're on a path towards illness or health.